Despite what anyone have told you, you cannot file a trademark for free. Okay, guys? Everything in this world costs money, so you have to pay for it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Boss Attorney Bree, and this is the place for influencers and content creators to come to boss up their business the legal and legit way. Today, we are going to be discussing how much it costs to file a trademark. And when we are talking about filing a trademark on this channel and in general and for this video, we are talking about filing a federal trademark registration. Why? Because your federal trademark protects you throughout the United States, while your state trademark only protects you in your state. In this era of online business, digital era, we want to make sure that we are protected in each state. And when you go outside of the country, you're also going to want to get trademarks for whatever other country you are getting a trademark for. Before we start, it is important to note that trademark applications can vary. So basically, depending on what you are filing a trademark for, you may need more than one trademark. For instance, if you are just filing a name, that's one trademark application. But if you also want to file your logo along with your name, then you can end up with two trademark applications. Also, if you are selling multiple things or providing a service and selling things, you can end up paying more money. For instance, if you are a lash tech and you do lashes, you provide a lash service. That's one trademark application. But you also sell false lashes on the side. That's another trademark application. And then let's say you have a logo and you also want to just register the name by itself. That's 4 trademark applications. So when I am saying these prices throughout this video, I mean per trademark application. So please be aware that these are the base prices, but if you need more applications filed, you will end up paying more money or double those monies depending on which service you go with. So today I am going over trademark prices, filing a federal trademark, and there are a few options that you have as a new business owner, as an influencer, as a content creator in filing your trademark. Yes, even if you are just an influencer or a content creator, you do want to file a trademark for your name because you don't want someone else to profit off of trademarking your name and using it, because people can have the same name, believe it or not. So, of course, even if you are just using your regular name, trademarking is still something that you want to consider to do because it protects your brand. And if your name is your brand, you want to protect that. So the first option that you have with filing your trademark is to file it directly with the USPTO. That is the government entity that approves your trademark. The filing cost to file with the USPTO ranges from $250 to $350, depending on which type of application that you have to file. Most people can file under the $250 application. So if that is you, you want to go ahead and get that cheapest filing cost as possible. So $250 is the absolute minimum that you can file a trademark for. If someone is charging you less than $250, they are scamming you because they are not going to cover the government fee for you. I have not found a company that does it yet. If you find one, please comment below and let me know about it. The next option that a lot of people like to go with, but that I strongly recommend against, is a filing company such as Legalzoom, Trademark Engine, Rocket Lawyer, any of those type of entities. Those are simply document preparation services, and all they do is really prepare the document for you. They don't let you know like what's out there that may conflict with your mark. So in my opinion, if you are going to do that, you might as well just file the application yourself and save your money. Going with Legalzoom, I think they start at, let me see, about $150, and then that is to do it yourself. So you just give them the information and then they file it. Or they have the option for an attorney to do it for you, which is $5.99. Both of those services only cover the fee that you are actually paying to Legalzoom. So you will still need to pay that $250 or $350 depending on what type of application that you are filing. They put it in little small italic numbers or italic letters right next to it, but it will be $150 plus $250. So you're already at what, $400 if you don't use the attorney service. I'm not sure exactly what is all included in the attorney service, but even then, I would say to hire your own attorney because that way you can vet them and see if you even like them. And they may include more in their package with helping you get through the whole trademark process because it is a complicated process. Legalzoom's price or any document prep price that includes an attorney is only including that attorney to actually file your application. If you get a rejection, you will have to find another attorney or pay them again in order to have your trademark continue to push through. There are other sites like Legalzoom that are doc prep services. Some start at $39 plus your trademark fee, $100 plus your trademark fee. But again, these services are literally just filing your application for you. Put in that information that you give to them and putting it into the application for you. So you might as well go directly through the USPTO. The big question is, how much does it cost to actually hire an attorney to file it for you? Well, this amount can range depending on which attorney you are hiring and what services are included in their packages. In general, when hiring an attorney, you can expect to pay $1,500 to $3,000 per trademark application. The price can go up and the price can be lower than that, but that will depend on what is actually included in the process. There are a lot of attorneys that go ahead and charge you that flat fee for the whole entire process. Other attorneys will charge you that flat fee just to file the application, and then if you get any type of rejection or anything else is needed, you will need to pay even more money. So when choosing an attorney to work with, you should definitely check out their packages and figure out whether you're going to end up paying more money down the line. Attorneys are pretty transparent about what's included and what's not included in their packages. Remember that hiring an attorney, you are getting their legal background, their legal information. They deal with trademarks on a daily basis, so they will be able to tell you, hey, you shouldn't file this trademark. There are so many conflicts out there. Some of them will help you pick a new name. They will explain everything for you. So there are benefits to having an attorney. They're able to do the things a lot faster. They're able to do things a lot more efficiently, and they have that legal knowledge to let you know what's the likelihood of you even succeeding with this trademark. So having an attorney, I always recommend, and the USPTO actually recommends that you hire an attorney to help you with your trademark because the application looks pretty simple, pretty straightforward. But at the end of the day, the things that you have to put into that application is really complicated, and a person that doesn't deal with trademarks on a regular basis will not know to do those things. And the last option that I have for you is my do-it-yourself trademark course. At the time of this recording, it is $600, and then you will have to pay the actual application fee when you file. The benefit of this course is if you have multiple trademarks or multiple classes that you need to file in, you may want to learn how to actually do it yourself accurately so that you don't have to keep paying an attorney $1,500, $3,000, $4,000 to file your trademark. So it takes you through the steps that I take to file my trademark applications. So you will be learning from an attorney's eye view. Again, even with that course, I do always recommend that you actually hire an attorney, because attorneys just have that legal experience that you cannot just get off of Google and things like that. So even with my course, it is a great course. It teaches you a lot, but it is a lot of information, and I still do recommend that you hire an attorney, especially if you are a busy business owner and you do not have time to learn and think like a lawyer. I hope that was very helpful in determining how much you should expect to pay when hiring an attorney or filing a trademark in general. These are questions that a lot of people hide the ball to. Some attorneys will let you know, some will not. But I think it's really important to let people know about those document preparation services because they do have a low fee, but sometimes they have hidden fees. Sometimes the fee just continues to add up and things like that. Thank you for coming back to my channel. As always, if you like the content, please subscribe to this channel, like, and comment any questions or concerns that you have below. I will see you in the next video where we're teaching content creators, influencers, entrepreneurs, everyone in the new business world how to have a legal and legit business. I will see you in the next video.